Advanced Clinicals, Biotin, Anti-Breakage Hair Repair, 12 fluid ounces, 355 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Damaged hair rescue. Quench strong, shiny locks with caffeine and sweet almond oil. Replenishes moisture to damaged locks with vitamin E and honey plus Manuka Honey plus vitamin E plus almond oil for weak, color treated hair. DEA-Free, Paraben-Free, Sulfate-Free, no animal testing. Repair, Biotin, split ends, honey roots, caffeine. Suggested use. Apply generously to clean, damp hair and massage through roots to ends. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. Other ingredients: water, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, behentrimonium chloride, isopropyl myristate, cocos, nucifera, coconut oil, biotin, olea, europaea, olive, fruit oil, prunus, amygdalus, dulcis, sweet almond oil, honey extract, caffeine, micrococcus, lysate, ganoderma, lucidum, mushroom, stem extract, serenoa, serrulata, fruit extract, tocopheryl acetate, silicone, quaternium 3, hydroxyethylcellulose, trisate 12, fragrance, phenoxyethanol, tetrasodium glutamate, diacetate, caprologlycol, ethylxylglycerin, hexylene glycol, citric acid, sodium benzoate, red 4. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. If product enters eyes, flush with water. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a physician. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.